Okay, look at the screen, guys. Here, move on to next topic. One of the important topic in aptitude, boards and streams. If you are preparing for any exam, the concept weightage is at least 1 or 2 marks, guys. Here, so that's why very important topic and very easy topic, guys. Okay, so time and distance. Time and distance. If you are perfect in time and distance concept and boards and streams concept, also very easy, guys. Okay, so what is the formula, guys? Time formula. Anyone? So what is the formula? Time formula.
Distance by speed, sir.
Yes, distance by speed. Very good. So what are the units of time, guys?
Minutes, hours, seconds.
Yes, hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, very good. So what are the units of distance, guys? What are the units of distance?
Kilometers and meters.
Yes, kilometers and meters. What is the formula, guys? Distance formula? Speed
Time.
into time. Speed into time. Right. So what are the units of speed, guys? Kilometer per hour or meter per second. Right. What is the formula, guys? Speed formula?
Distance by time, sir.
So distance by time. Very good. And next point, convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. We are using
5 by 18.
Yes, very good. 5 by 18. Right. So we convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. We are using 18 by 5. Okay. So these 5 points are common for 4 topics, guys, here. So what are they? Time and distance, problems and points, boards and streams, and race and game. These 5 points are common for 4 concepts, guys, here. Okay. So already you know these 5 points. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And coming to the boards and stream concept. Okay, and 4 more points are added here. So in 4 points and 4 points guరించి ఒకసారి మనం clear గా check చేద్దాం ఇక్కడ. So 1 second. Okay, right. For example, guys, here, look at the screen, guys, here. In still water, the water, okay, in still water, boat speed is x kilometer per hour, guys, here. In still water, boat speed is x kilometer per hour. Water flows, then water speed is y kilometer per hour. In still water, boat speed is x kilometer per hour, and water flows, then water speed is y kilometer per hour. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. So boat and water moving in the same direction. Boat and water moving in the same direction is called downstream. So it is downstream is denoted by u. Downstream is denoted by u. U is equal to x plus y. Downstream formula u is equal to x plus y. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది డౌట్స్ రావచ్చు అన్నమాట. అంటే రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ లో 2 persons గాని 2 trains గాని moving in the same direction. What is the relative speed, guys? Moving in the same direction. What is the relative speed?
T1 by D1, T2 by T2.
2 persons are moving in the same direction. The relative speed is s is equal to x minus y. S is equal to x minus y. Right. So ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అన్నప్పుడు మీరు x minus y యూజ్ చేశారు సార్ రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ లో. బట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా బోట్ అండ్ వాటర్ మూవింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ కదా సార్. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏంటి u is equal to x plus y అని రాశారు అనే డౌట్ వస్తుంది చాలా మందికి. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో ఎందుకు ప్లస్ రాసిన ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్తాను. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఒకసారి. వాటర్ అండ్ బోట్ మూవింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అన్నప్పుడు వాటర్ స్పీడ్ కూడా బోట్ కి యాడ్ అవుతుంది. బోట్ ఇంకా ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? వాటర్ స్పీడ్ కూడా బోట్ కి యాడ్ అవుతుంది, ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు అంతే కదా, మనం స్టెప్స్ దిగేటప్పుడు కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా దిగుతుంటాం, ఫాస్ట్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. అదే స్టెప్స్ ఎక్కాలంటే కొంచెం డిఫికల్టీ అనిపిస్తుంటుంది మనకి. సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ గైస్ హియర్. ఓకే, వాటర్ స్పీడ్ అనేది బోట్ కి యాడ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి దట్స్ వై వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్ హియర్ ప్లస్ అండి. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. బట్ ఇక్కడ రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ లో ఈ 2 persons ఎక్కడైనా యాడ్ అయ్యే పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయా? నో, అలా స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ లో స్ట్రైట్ వే లో వెళ్తూనే ఉంటారు. సో దట్స్ వై వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్ హియర్ minus. Clear and all of you? So water speed is added to boat and ship. That's why we are using here plus. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And coming to the second point, boat moving this direction and water flowing this direction, opposite direction. Boat and water moving in an opposite direction is called upstream. Is called upstream. Upstream is denoted by V. V is equal to X minus Y. V is equal to upstream formula. V is equal to X minus Y. ఎందుకు మైనస్ యూస్ చేసామంటే ఇక్కడ వాటర్ స్పీడ్ అనేది బోట్ కి యాడ్ అవ్వదు. Water speed అనేది boat కి యాడ్ అవ్వదు. That's why we are using here minus n. Clear and all of you? This is the first point and the second point. So boat and water moving in the same direction is called downstream. It is denoted by U. U is equal to X plus Y. Water and boat moving in the opposite direction is called upstream. It is denoted by V. V is equal to X minus Y. Just remember these 2 points, guys. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding these 2 points? Guys, any doubts regarding these 2 points?
Understood, sir.
Yes. Okay, I think it's very, very easy concept, guys, here. And coming to the next point, guys, here, coming to the next point. For example, the speed of the boat, speed of the boat or boatman, boat or boatman. Okay, so X is equal to, and second point, speed of the stream. Stream Y is equal to. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. For example, boat speed is 60 kilometer per hour. For example, boat speed is 60 kilometer per hour. A boat lo person kuda unnaranడి. Now, person speed is how much, guys?
60 kilometer per hour.
Yes, very good. And then find out the boat speed anna, okay, boat man anna kuda same meaning ani ikkada. Okay, speed of the boat anna like the boat man anna kuda same meaning, guys, here. Okay, speed of the boat or boatman, X is equal to downstream plus upstream by 2. This is a formula. Okay, downstream plus upstream by 2. Okay, first, speed of the stream Y is equal to downstream minus upstream by 2. Okay, speed of the stream you find out, you know, just use this formula. Y is equal to downstream minus upstream by 2. Speed of the boat and the boatman and so X is equal to downstream plus upstream by 2 only. Clear and all of you these 2 formulas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think very easy problems, guys. Okay, so first look at the screen, guys, here. First problem, a man can go 30 kilometers upstream and 34 kilometers downstream. Find the speed of the boat and speed of the stream. Find the boat of speed and stream. Okay, so upstream speed is how much? V is equal to 30 kilometer per hour and U is equal to 34 kilometer per hour. Even రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి ఇక్కడ. ప్రాబ్లం చూడగానే విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ లో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. The speed of the boat. What is the formula, guys? Speed of the boat, X is equal to downstream plus upstream by 2. So 34 plus 30 by 2 is equal to 64 by 2 is equal to 32 kilometer per hour. The boat speed is how much, guys? 32 kilometer per hour. Okay, and speed of the stream, what is the formula? U minus V by 2. Okay, right. So 34 minus 30 by 2. So 34 minus 30 is how much? 4. 4 by 2 is how much? 2 kilometer per hour. Stream speed is how much, guys? 2 kilometer per hour. Clear and all of you? ఇది మొత్తం సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. సింపుల్ ఇక్కడ మనం వితౌట్ పెన్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆల్రెడీ యూ నో ఫార్ములా U plus V by 2. Okay, so 34 plus 30, 64. 64 by 2 is how much? 32 kilometer per hour. Okay, so find out the stream, speed of the stream. So already you know formula U minus V by 2. 34 minus 30, 4. 4 by 2 is how much? 2 kilometer per hour. Clear and all of you? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే రైట్ అండి. వన్స్ మీరు బోర్డ్ స్ట్రీమ్ కానీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. ఎందుకంటే కావాలంటే మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సో దిస్ ద బోర్డ్ స్పీడ్ అండి. సో అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్ 30 km/h అండి అప్ స్ట్రీమ్. ఓకేనా? డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది బోర్డ్ స్ట్రీమ్ కి, బోర్డ్ స్పీడ్ కి అండ్ అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ కి 2 km/h డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. అదేవిధంగా డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ కి అండ్ బోర్డ్ స్ట్రీమ్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్ 2 km/h. అంటే ఇది అప్ స్ట్రీమ్, ఇది సో స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడే కదండి 2 km/h అనేది. ఓకేనా? సో ఇలా అయినా మనం చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. ఇదంతా లెంత్ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి రాసింది. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండి. A boat running in downstream covers the distance of 30 kilometers in 2 hours. While come back, the boat takes 6 hours to cover the same distance. What is the speed of the boat in kilometer per hour? So what is the answer, guys? Anyone? I think very, very, very dead easy question. First read the question properly, we'll get the answer, guys. Downstream distance is given 30 kilometers, time is given 2 hours. First find out the speed. First find out the speed. So what is the formula speed, guys? Distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, so distance is how much? 30 kilometers and time is how much? 2 kilometer per hour. 2 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 2 kilometer per hour. So 2 ones are to 15. 15 kilometer per hour is downstream. 15 kilometer per hour is downstream. Okay. So then U. Next, upstream. So distance is how much? Same, 30 kilometer per hour, 30 kilometers, and time is how much? 6 hours. 6 ones are 6 fives are 5 kilometer per hour. We have to find out the boat speed. And what is the formula of boat speed? X is equal to U plus V by 2. U plus V by 2. So downstream is how much? 15 kilometers. Upstream is how much? 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, now total is how much? 20. 20 by 2 is how much? 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kilometer per hour. ఈ చెత్త మొత్తం సాల్వ్ చేయొద్దు ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో. సింపుల్ గా థింక్ చేయండి. 30/2, ఓకేనా? 30/6. సో 2 ones are 2 15. 6 ones are 6 fives are. Already you know formula. Boat speed formula. So downstream plus upstream by 2 అండి. అంటే 15 plus 5 by 15 plus 5 ఎంత? 20. 20/2 ఎంత? 10 kilometer per hour. దీనికోసం పెన్ పేపర్ అవసరం అంటారా? I think not required, right? Guys, problems అర్థమవుతున్నాయి అందరికి? Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వెళ్తుంటాయండి. స్మాల్ టాపిక్. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. A boat running downstream covers a distance of 16 kilometers in 2 hours. While for cover the same distance upstream, if takes 4 hours, find boat speed. Same problem, but numbers change అండి. ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళండి ఆన్సర్. సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ numbers చేంజ్.
6 kilometers per hour, sir.
Yes, 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 very good. 6 km/h. Simple ga 16/2, comma 16/4. 2 ones are 2 eights are 4 ones are 4 fours are 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. 12/2 is how much? 6 km/h. 6 km/h. And very good. Same problem, but numbers change. Okay, right. Next one. A man can swim 3 km/h in still water if the velocity of the stream be 2 km/h. The time taken by him to swim to a place 10 kilometers upstream and back is. First read the question properly, we get the answer. Somebody is saying 10 hours. Okay, very good, Inka. Okay, right, and check the book, sorry. First, find out the downstream. First, find out the downstream. U is equal to, what is the formula? X plus Y. X plus Y. So 3 kilometer per hour and 2 kilometer per hour. So 3 plus 2, 5 kilometer per hour downstream. And find out upstream. Find out the upstream. V is equal to X minus Y. And 3 minus 1 is equal to, so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour. Okay. So distance is given, guys, here. Distance is how much? 10 kilometer. So both sides. So can both sides distance is how much? 10 kilometers. We have to find out the time. We have to find out the time. So problem load, two distance is given, two speeds is given. Okay, right. And that time use this formula. D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 is equal to T and time and distance flow e concept chapter McNeil. So two distance, two speeds, one time is given. Use this formula. D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 is equal to Tn. So distance is how much, guys? 10 kilometers. And speed is how much? 1 kilometer per hour. Again, distance is how much, guys? 10 kilometers. And speed is how much, guys? 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12 hours. The time is how much, guys? 12 hours. That is answer. Clear and all of you? Okay, right. Next one, Andy. A boat travel upstream from B to A, downstream from A to B in 3 hours. And the total time is given 3 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water 9 kilometer per hour and the speed of the current is 3 kilometer per hour. Current means stream and water speed. The distance between A and B is the distance between A and B is okay, distance find out change. Problem low, total time is given. Okay, still water, boat speed is given 9 kilometer per hour and water speed also given 3 kilometer per hour. Find out the distance. And the first upstream, downstream, find out change. After that, so problem ni mana solve change. First, find out the downstream. U is equal to X plus Y. Okay, so speed is how much? 9 kilometer per hour and 3 kilometer per hour. So 12 kilometer per hour. And upstream V is equal to X minus Y. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. So మనకి downstream తెలుసు, upstream తెలుసు ఇక్కడ మనకి. ఓకేనా? Two speeds వచ్చేసినాయి. S1 అనుకుందాం, ఇది S2 అనుకుందాం అండి ఇక్కడ. Right, time also given here, 3 hours given here. So distance is we don't know. Let x anukundaamandi. Distance is we don't know. Let x. That time use this formula. S1, so D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 is equal to Tn. Okay, na? So distance is we don't know. Let x anukundaam. Speed is how much? 6 kilometer per hour. And again, distance is how much? We don't know. Let x anukundaam. Speed is how much? 12 kilometers. Time is how much? 3 hours. Okay, right. 6 key, 12 key. What is LCM and D? 12 and D. Okay, how many times here? 2 times. 2x plus x is equal to 3 and D. So 2x plus x, 3x. Okay, 3x is equal to 36. 12 3s are 36. 3 1s are 3 12s are. X is equal to how many kilometers, guys? 12 kilometers. The distance between A and B is how many kilometers? 12 kilometers. Here and all of you. Same model and the same model, but numbers change.